Bubba, what do you got on your head?
Bubba, wait. Stay. Bubba, sit.
Bubba, sit.
Sit.
Good boy.
Well, no, stop it.
It's Wednesday, January 21st, 2026, and it is brisk. There's frozen fog on everything. It's like these frozen fog icicles.
Oh, see ya.
Oh, bye, bud. See you later. It's up till almost 1 in the morning last night editing last week's video. So I'm definitely falling behind on this whole 2 videos a week thing. But I am editing day and night and morning. Big day, lots going on. We'll see, I'm gonna need a lot of coffee. Well, I didn't make it to Tumble Falls, kind of ran out of time, so I'm gonna do a short little trek in Shevlin Park. These aspens are cool. It's freezing, there's frozen fog all over. There's maybe a little bit of snowflakes happening, but I love the winter. It's actually, in Bend at least for me, I'd say it's my favorite season now. Not only because I love snow sports, but I just like the trails. I like the outdoor options a little bit better. It's less crowded. It is a chilly but beautiful morning out here. This frozen fog on all the trees. This forest is absolutely stunning. My buddy Michael, which is actually more like a brother to me, I've known him for like 20 years, is in town. Supposed to meet for lunch. I said, will 1 o'clock work? He's like, that's cutting it a little tight because he's got to drive back to Salem. And I was like, well, I could meet you in 30 minutes. So we'll see what he says. I just got a text. That works at Monkless. Okay, I'm heading back. So I'm going to cut this hike a little bit short and go meet Michael for lunch. I better hustle. I don't even know if I'll make it in 30 minutes. That was a hustle, especially with this pack on. What's up, brother? How you doing?
Where are you? Are we live?
Huh?
Are we worldwide live?
We're live streaming right now. So I've known Michael for longer than my wife. I think my earliest memory was a Blade trilogy at your apartment.
Yeah.
There was a bunch of people there.
Yeah, I don't know why I was obsessed with Blade, but I still kind of am. It's just, there's an ethos to it. It works.
Love you, bro.
Love you too. Thanks for lunch.
Well, I just indulged in a Cubano sandwich and a beer. That was absolutely gut-wrenching, and I will pay the price. But lunch was good. It's good seeing Michael. Time to go home, go on a run with D, and get to editing.
Well, who's this little cowboy?
Hi, you ready to go for a run?
No.
Let's do it.